Welcome to 18863 64A Avenue in Cloverdale. This home is meticulously maintained, and you'll notice that when you get inside. Enjoy the tour. This home has 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, just a little bit under 3,200 square feet. High ceilings, very, very well maintained. Unique feature on the main floor is there a guest bedroom right here. So nice large kitchen, nice island preparatory area, and this area off here could either be a den or a separate eating area. So we're in the lower level, which is used as an in-law suite. 3-piece bath here, laundry there, nice open living room area. And you can see behind here is the in-law kitchen. Look at the size of this master bedroom and couch there, and look at the size of the walk-in closet. So we're in the garage, as you can see. It's a handyman special here. Overheight ceilings with lots and lots of storage, and you can actually put 2 big freezers here. Just picture yourself here on a warm summer evening, sitting by the fire pit, relaxing, reading a book. Spectacular. We're having an open house. If you'd like to know more about it, please don't hesitate to call, text, or email us, and we look forward to seeing you here. Thanks very much for watching.